Reconciling a bank account in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you how to match and code transactions, clear them as reconciled, and drive the difference to zero, all pushed back to QuickBooks. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Accounting, Bank Rec from your dashboard. Bank reconciliation is about proving your books match your actual bank statement. Select the account and the statement period at the top. You'll see bank transactions on one side and your book transactions on the other, with unmatched items highlighted. Where I find a likely match, same amount, close date, click it and click Match to confirm. Where a bank transaction hasn't been coded yet, click Code and choose the right GL account so it's properly categorized in your books. Once a transaction is matched or coded correctly, click Clear to mark it reconciled. Watch the difference between your book balance and bank balance shrink as you work through the list. Your goal is zero difference. That's what tells you the period is truly reconciled, not just close. And every match pushes back to QuickBooks, so your books and your bank finally agree.